In this healing meditation, we will be asking the angels of light to clear any fear around us and others in relation to the coronavirus. Hello, my name is Brian McCullen, and within this healing meditation, we will be asking the healing angels of light to assist in helping clear any fear and negativity in relation to the coronavirus. Please note, this healing meditation is not a substitute for medical attention. If you suspect you or others have the coronavirus, please do seek medical assistance, especially if you are vulnerable health-wise. During this healing meditation, we ask the healing angels of holy light to anchor an angelic disc around your energy field to clear any fear from you and others around you, even to clear the fear of the mass consciousness of humanity. This angelic healing disc also helps to clear and transmute any negative effects of the coronavirus itself, of those around us and humanity itself. We are doing this to help others, and there are many healers, light workers, spiritual and religious people all around the world praying and sending healing to help dissipate this virus. And this technique will greatly help in doing this, as well as to reduce the fear and hysteria around the virus itself. The great thing about this technique is when I or we activate our angelic discs 2 to 3 times a day, it can connect to all other angelic discs, and this will activate yours and all other discs to help boost and clear the negativity surrounding the coronavirus. There are many of us doing this technique already, and hopefully soon a lot more. For more information on this technique, I will have a link to my website below where you can download this technique and extra information. It is recommended to practice this meditation daily or whenever you wish. Even if you can't do this meditation daily, at the very least, you can ask simply for the healing angels to activate your angelic disc to clear fear from around you and others, and also to clear any negative effects of the coronavirus itself. As with all meditations, there is a comment below from me with a timestamp to skip this introduction if you've seen it already. So when you're ready, sit back, relax, and close your eyes. We call upon the healing angels and Father, Mother God to connect with you now, to bless and protect you within the holiest light. We ask for the angelic disc to be installed and anchored and activated into and around your energy field, to clear and cleanse all fear and to transmute and transform any negative effects of the coronavirus of all people around you in accordance with their higher selves and free will. We ask for the healing angelic beings of light and Father, Mother God, source of holy light, to fully assist and support this process. In your mind, visualize a large, beautiful, radiant disc of angelic light being lowered around your energy field now. We ask the angels now to install this in and around your aura. And just for a few moments, just be aware of the angels of healing light making adjustments to your energy field. we ask Archangel Michael and the angels of divine protection to automatically activate the highest divine protection any time this angelic disc is active. We ask for your angelic disc to be connected with all other angelic discs around this planet. Bring your awareness to the angelic healing disc, which now is spinning and pulsing beautiful, radiant, various colors. And as it does so, we now ask for this angelic disc to clear and cleanse all fear, and to transmute and transform any negative effects of the coronavirus of you and all the people around you. Be aware of healing and cleansing energies radiating forth from the disc, beaming cleansing and healing rays to you and to all those around you. Cleansing any clouds of fear, clearing any shadows of negativity. We ask the angels to transmit through this angelic disc blessings and energies to clear any negativity from you, your family, friends and co-workers and local community. We see the cleansing and healing light beaming outwards in all directions to clear and cleanse the fear from you, from your family, to clear your friends and co-workers and local community. All, of course, within accordance of their divine free will. See clouds and shadows of negativity being dissolved around everyone, being transmuted and transformed into higher light. We ask the angels to transmit through this angelic disc blessings and specific energies, frequencies and vibrations to clear any negative effects on all levels of the coronavirus. From you, your family, friends and co-workers and local community. we see the cleansing and healing light beaming outwards in all directions to clear and cleanse any negativity associated with the coronavirus from you, your family, friends, co-workers and local community. All, of course, within accordance of their divine free will. See any negativity of the virus being dissolved, lifted upwards and transmuted into higher light. We ask the angels to broadcast through this angelic disc blessings and specific energies, frequencies and vibrations to transform the structure of the virus into being harmless and to transform the situation with the coronavirus into a benefit and blessings for humanity. See in your mind's eye healing light of all colours radiating out towards all people on the planet, blessing and healing, bringing peace, hope and calm. We ask the healing angels of light to bring through any energies needed to ground your energy field, to balance and stabilize your energy field now. Visualize your energy field and feet grounding into the earth, being balanced and centered. We now thank the healing angels and Father, Mother God for your continued assistance and support. Also, the healing angels of light say they are very grateful to you for partaking in this service of others. Please remember, when we are doing this, we're not assuming responsibility for other people's health and well-being, but doing this out of service and to create positivity, love and light in complete conjunction with the divine free will and choice of all those around us. And when you're ready, you can gently bring your awareness back now. I hope you like this technique, and if you do, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you feel that this can be of benefit to somebody else, feel free to share this meditation and the technique from my website with others that you think will benefit from it. The link to my website will be in the video description below or in the comment section. Also, please do leave a comment below to let me know how this meditation has helped you. Take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you.